Today I am going to discuss some more points of the circles. So in today's class we will discuss the first point, that the angle at the center of a circle is double of the angle at circumference extending on the same arc. For this पूरे ड्राइंग का कलर देखो, we draw a circle. Okay, so this is the center. Okay. So this is a circle with center O. I have taken an arc AB, join OA, join OB. So remember, this is the angle at the center of a circle by the arc AB, and one more angle I am going to form, that is at the circumference of a circle, and I give its name, I take it the point P. So look it, AOB is the angle at the center of a circle, APB is at the circumference, both angle are extending on the same arc AB. We have to prove that central angle is double of this inscribed angle. Yeah, you can say circumference angle. We have to prove angle AOB is 2 times the angle APB. For this, I just join OP and extend it. Let's suppose this is X. So obviously, look it, this angle AOX, are you looking the angle AOX? It is equal to angle OPA plus angle OAP. Why? Because exterior angle of a triangle, OPA is a triangle and AOX is exterior angle. So exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. And in the second case, we can also say angle AOX is equals to angle OPA plus angle OPA. Why? OAP is equals to OPA. Look it, angle OPA and OAP are equal. These two angles are equal because the radius OP and OA are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. Base angle of an isosceles triangles are equal. That's why angle OPA and OAP are equal. So we can write it 2 times angle OPA. Now for next, look it, angle BOX. Angle BOX is equals to, we can write angle OPB plus angle OBP. Here also OBP and OPB are equal. So instead of this OBP, we can write OPB. So OPB plus, instead of OBP also we write OPB. So this will be 2 times OPB. Now look it, we have in the 4 points angle AOB is equals to, we can say angle AOX plus angle BOX, which you can write 2 times angle OPA plus 2 times angle OPB. But angle OPA plus OPB is equals to APB. So this will be equal to 2 times angle APB. So we have proved कि AOB, the central angle, is double of the inscribed angle extending on the same arc AB. Next, so using this theorem we can prove others also, and that is what the second point I am going to say you. The angle in semicircle is 90 degree. That is we can call right angle. Okay, so using the previous theorem we can easily say, let's suppose a circle we have taken whose center is at O, and this AB is its diameter. So this AOB, this is semicircle. Now take another angle at the circumference of a circle. I've been drawing it, this APB. This is the angle in semicircle, because this angle is made by semicircle. We have to prove that this angle is 90 degree. That is to prove angle in semicircle, that is angle APB, is 90 degree. It's simple using the previous theorem. As we are looking, angle AOB is 2 times the angle APB, isn't it? Because this AOB is subtended at the center of circle by the arc AB, and APB is also subtended by the arc AB, but at the circumference of a circle. And in the previous theorem we have learned the angle at the center of a circle is twice the angle at its circumference. So from this theorem we can say AOB is equals to 2 APB. But AOB is a straight angle, so its measurement is 180 degrees. So angle AOB is a straight angle is 180 degree. It's equals to 2 angle APB, or angle APB is equals to 180 by 2, that is 90 degree, right angle. So we proved that the angle in semicircle is right angle. Second step. So using the previous theorem we can also prove one more point, and that point is the third point I am going to say. Inscribed angles extending on the same arc are equal. Inscribed angles extending on the same arc are equal. Or the same questions may can ask, angles on the same segment of a circle are equal. Now your confusion may be, what is the inscribed angle? Probably in the previous class we discussed about the inscribed angles or the angles in the same segment. Once again I am going to say you here. Let's look here. I take an arc AB and make the angle APB. This is at circumference of a circle. One another angles that also I am going to make on the circumference of the circle. I give its name Q. Now look it. This angle APB and AQB are inscribed angle. Yeah, you can say angle at the circumference. APB, AQB are inscribed angle, and both are on the same segment. Look it, from the centers both are in this segment of the circle. So these two are angles on the same segment, yeah, inscribed angle. We have to prove कि angle, so we have to prove angle APB equal to angle AQB, inscribed angle APB AQB, yeah, angles in the same segment are equal, that is APB and AQB are equal. Using the previous theorem, let's I join A with O, O with B. Now this is the central angle subtended by the arc AB, and this is also subtended by the arc AB, but it is at circumference. So in the previous theorem what we read is central angle is double of the inscribed angle. So in first point you can say AOB is 2 times of APB, because central angle is double of inscribed. Same points, this central angle AOB is double of angle AQB, because AQB is also standing on the same arc AB, so central angle is also double of the AQB. Now from 1 and 2 we can say the angle APB is equal to angle AQB. So what we find? This APB, AQB, which are inscribed angle on the same segment, and that are equal. So inscribed angles standing on the same arc are equal.